Y'all like it? It's pretty cool. I like color. I like my color. Alright, we're gonna start with these 4 sponges. Thank you for the Hermes. I love you. I am good, baby. Thank you, though. We're 14 heartbeats away from our goal tonight. Now. Thank you so much. Hey, we had to do something extra special to close that out, right? Best reaction you've seen yet, wasn't it? And it was a volcano. Hey babe, will you close the laundry room door?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, we're a long ways from 20K. We gotta hit 15 first. Oh, good.
Keep in mind now, I got that.
How fun is this, guys? We've never done one like this. So fun. Yep, all recycled tonight. No fresh cans, just fresh laundry. Did you guys see it? Oh my god. Hey. I'm reposting this tonight. This is so good. Spicy. It's not strong at all, babe. Not strong at all. Paquito. Jalapenos. The Mexican restaurant. Yes, those are all the cans going in. We got 5 more cases available. God, I give him his payment for doing the you know, for doing all the recycle. I gotta take him to lunch. Jonesy, isn't he lucky? I do, baby. I have 2 for $6. Oh yeah, crawfish. Yeah, we're gonna add more sponges in just a second. I had to get our volcano out the way. That's the AC. I'll go turn it down. It was really hot, but I'll go turn it down when we're all done. I ain't throwing him around, I promise. Litzy can vouch. He's not a little boy. Okay. All right. Let's do us another round. What's your silly question, Lex? I probably have a silly answer. Oh yes, I am going to post it. Well, baby. Yes, I love that. You met your husband on Fortnite? That's cute. Hey, whatever works, works. Similarities. Like I said, we both love horses and we love to rodeo and ride and so we just had a lot in common. We are 3 years apart. 3 years. Hey girl, Tinder's there for a reason. I love all the stories in the chat. Yeah, or 3 years. I'm 3 years older. I'm a cougar. Pin it. It sounded like a good 3-4 years. Congratulations. Together. 22. Yeah, that's kind of what happened with us too. If you're new, Dr. Pepper is on purpose. No, we don't want to be quiet. Thank you so much. I can't wait till we get to the ranch either. We're almost to 100K taps. It did. I am. Yep. We're leaving to go in. As quick as we can. Because our own space in Montana. We have a whole, yeah, she said, can I order? Sunday. 1 week. No. I'm gonna be posting. You know, I'm always up for a good time. I'm gonna miss Buggies. We have Town Pump. Oh, girl, I'm so sorry. 43-3. Lord, tell that baby to come on. It's gonna happen right here on live. I live in a